Good morning, YouTube friends. I'll give you some update to our bananas here. We have the average size of cluster. I think we have several outside the fence. We rented that area as well. And I think we have 2 or 3 clusters there that are really big. That one is another average. I think this one we have another big one here, but it is being hidden, covered by the leaves right there. Yeah, that one. It's a big one. And outside, I think this month, by the end of this month, that will be ready for the harvest. We have this banana here that I was not able to remove the blossom yet, but it looks like it's going to die. The fingers not even reaching maturity age, and maturity age, and it's already like turning into yellow. That means it's bad news. So there are like some of the banana plants standing but got disease, and they're not able to produce any leaves anymore and about to die. So I have to cut that down and put some salt to neutralize or control the disease of spreading from other banana plants. But there are other things here that kind of sad to me, and one of that is this. Look at these 2 plants of bananas, with each plant has already a cluster of fruit in it. The good thing was, like, the clusters here, as you can see, like small to average. We have the small one, and these 3 bananas here damaged by the strong current of wind. As you can see here right now, you can hear the current of the wind is so strong, and our neighbors here who are planting bananas outside the fence, they started cutting down. I don't know, because the durian tree started to grow up, so they don't have any value to them anymore, so they start removing the bananas there. So before, that was like kind of protection to our bananas here, that the current of the wind is so strong from the top from the airfield up there, can be neutralized or will be divided. The impact to our garden is not really that strong anymore, as there are some blockers out there. But right now it's like a freeway from the top going down here. And so you can see that when we have these 3 banana plants tumbling down with clusters in it. And the sad thing, it is still not mature clusters. So I'm thinking that probably if as long as the trunk can still support some, probably 5-10% of nutrients there, so maybe I can wait to maturity and then turn them into an organic fertilizer for potassium needs of my vegetables. So we have to utilize everything here, and not that one alone. I think there are around 2 or 3 more banana plants here that are attacked by the disease. That's another cluster there. Can you see that? I think this one is a big one. Hopefully the wind will not be able to damage this one. This cluster here is a big one. I think it's around 10-11 hands in that cluster alone. We have another here, and here, this one like 2 months older, more than 2 months. Perhaps And then we have another two here. They're quite good looking, but I think they're covered with the leaves here. We'll try to